Your shoulders feel like they have been replaced by two solid blocks of concrete after a long day at the desk. You try to stretch, but the tightness stays exactly where it is. That deep, nagging ache requires something more than just a quick rub or a cheap vibrating gadget. This is where the latest second generation massage tool from Xiaomi enters the conversation. It does not look like a toy. It does not feel like a piece of cheap plastic that will crack if you drop it once. When you first pick it up, there is a surprising heft to it. It feels dense and professional. The matte finish gives it a sleek look that fits into a modern gym bag or a bedside table without looking like a piece of industrial hardware. One of the best things is that it respects your time. There is no complicated setup process. You do not have to download an app or wait for a firmware update just to fix a sore leg. You pick an attachment, snap it in, and hit the power button. It is that simple. The real magic happens when you actually press it against your skin. Most affordable massages just buzz on the surface. They rattle your teeth but do nothing for the actual muscle fibers. This device is different. It provides a deep, percussive force that actually penetrates the tissue. You can feel the knots in your calves or your lower back finally starting to give way. It offers several intensity levels. You can choose between a gentle relaxation session or a serious, high-intensity recovery mode. Even on the highest setting, it maintains a level of control that feels safe. It never jumps around or feels like it is fighting your hand. Then there is the sound, or rather the lack of it. Many powerful massage tools sound like a chainsaw. This one is remarkably quiet. You can sit on the couch and work on your hamstrings while watching a movie. You won't have to turn the volume up to hear the actors. It is a subtle, low hum that disappears into the background. The battery life is another area where it shines. You can use it for 20 minutes a day for a whole week and still have plenty of juice left. You won't be hunting for a charging cable every single time you need relief. The handle is designed to be balanced. Your wrist does not get fatigued while you are trying to reach those awkward spots between your shoulder blades. It feels like an extension of your own hand. After using it for a few days, the difference in your daily comfort is noticeable. Your recovery time after a heavy workout drops significantly. That morning stiffness after a long flight or a stressful day at work starts to vanish. It delivers exactly what it promises without any of the extra fluff that usually drives the price up. It is a reliable, sturdy, and incredibly effective piece of technology for anyone who just wants to feel better in their own body. It hits the sweet spot between power and portability. You get the strength needed for deep tissue work without the bulk of a professional clinical machine. It is the kind of tool that makes you realize how much tension you are actually carrying around. Once you start using it, you will probably wonder how you ever managed without a dedicated recovery tool in your daily routine.